25 F-150 4x4 Super Crew STX, $48,598. 26 Ford Escape all-wheel drive, $29,978. 25 Ford Maverick, $28,535. At Ray Varner Ford, we're ready for wherever spring takes you. Local you trust, a ride you can afford.
Well, thanks for checking in this evening. Obviously, we've got showers and thunderstorms moving out of Kentucky into East Tennessee, and I'll be doing some live severe weather coverage. But as of this recording, let's talk about what's in store for the rest of the week, because we still have more clusters of thunderstorms heading our way. A beautiful sunset across parts of East Tennessee, but not for everybody, as those storms are starting to fire up. Let's talk about the big picture story. We did top out at 92 degrees in Knoxville today, 87 in Crossville, 95 in Chattanooga, and 88 in Tri-Cities. A lot of instability in that northwesterly flow in the atmosphere, which is throwing disturbances our direction. And that's exactly what we saw from the upper Midwest, from just outside of Minneapolis, all the way down into eastern Kentucky, over 670 miles. We had damaging winds and isolated tornadoes associated with this cluster of thunderstorms that is now starting to work its way into East Tennessee and Southwest Virginia and southeastern Kentucky as of this recording. So again, I'll be keeping you posted on this, then be doing some live severe weather coverage right here on YouTube, and of course the 24-hour weather channel and the East Tennessee Weather app, along with all social media associated with East Tennessee Weather. So make sure you check that out. Severe Thunderstorm Watch has been issued. Severe Thunderstorm Warning is getting ready to enter Hawkins and Hancock County up towards the Bristol area. But again, Severe Thunderstorm Watch is in effect until 2 o'clock in the morning. So obviously this model is a little ahead of schedule, but the point of the story is these storms will continue to slide their way from north to south through the evening. There's 9 o'clock. So about 8, 9, 10 o'clock here tonight, they're going to start to enter the Central Valley and the mountain locations. As it drifts its way southward, it should continue to weaken. This is the HRRR model, and I know it looks like it's going to be a little bit scary or a little bit overdoing it, I think, but the general idea is still expect scattered showers and thunderstorms through the late or rather the early overnight hours. Something interesting to note is the HRRR is picking actually up on some showers and thunderstorms early tomorrow morning across the Northern Valley, so something to keep in mind. And of course, I'll keep you posted on that early in the morning as well. Remember, we've had that level 1, level 2 risk for severe storms. Damaging wind is the main threat. But as we get into the day tomorrow and Thursday, we still have a level 1 risk issued by the Storm Prediction Center with damaging wind gusts possible as another couple waves head our way. Now, again, these haven't initiated yet, so we're going to have to see how this all plays out, just like what we were doing today. So make sure you check back in. We could have some scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day on Wednesday, but Wednesday evening into Thursday morning, here comes another potential cluster of thunderstorms wrapping around that ridge of high pressure and diving its way into the Tennessee Valley. So we'll be watching that closely as we get into our Wednesday night and again Thursday morning. Timing will be uncertain at this point of the game. So that's why it's so important to check back in on those all-important weather updates with the East Tennessee Weather platform. We do have the level 2 risk issued for flooding and flash flooding concerns as we go from Wednesday into Thursday, because we're going to have a saturated ground with any of the rain that does develop here tonight. High temperatures on Wednesday are going to top out in the upper 80s to low 90s. Heat index value is going to be pushing back close to 100 degrees, but it doesn't stop there. As the ridge of high pressure starts to build its way back in, we're talking about a lot more heat and a lot more humidity. Here's the upper level pattern. You can see those little waves in the atmosphere, high pressure anchored to our south and southwest, but starts to drift its way to the north and northeast as we wrap up the week and head into the upcoming weekend. And ultimately, that's going to take the showers and thunderstorms on out of here. So we'll bring those rain chances down, but we're also bringing in a lot of heat, and high temperatures could be in the low to maybe even some mid 90s, but it doesn't stop there because remember, dew points are expected to stay in the 70s. And so that's going to lead to heat index values pushing close to the heat advisory criteria. We've had heat advisories already issued back off to our west across parts of Middle Tennessee, thanks to that ridge of high pressure that's building its way back into the area. All right, that's a quick weather update. We'll have a little bit more extensive forecast as we get into the early morning hours. Again, live severe weather coverage coming up on East Tennessee Weather in just a little bit. Make sure you tune in. Have a great night.